Hello, today I will show you how to delete your Microsoft account as the Windows login. Since Windows 8.1, I guess, or 8, and now in Windows 10, you're required to create a Microsoft account and use that and the password to log into your Windows every time you start your Windows. And you may ask, why do I want to delete that? Well, there may be many reasons, but for me, first of all, I don't want a login every time I open my computer. Right? It's ridiculous. I have a computer security at home. I don't need to password protect it. Right? So I want to just turn on my computer and get into my desktop. I don't want to enter the password. But most important reason, the second reason is what forced me to do it eventually, is that I want to share I have a main computer at home, which has a large hard drive. I want to share all my media, or the movies, music, everything, documents on a folder on my main computer, and I'll use all the other, for example, this tablet PC, all the other computers want to seamlessly share this folder from the main computer through the Windows network, through the Wi-Fi. Now, in order to do that, you can have all these computers join as a home group, and then you enter the password and enter the group. Then you share these media files, right? But for me, I don't want to do all that or go through all that trouble. Again, this is my home. Everything is secure. Wi-Fi password is secure. So I want to just very simply go to File Explorer. I want to go to Network, and immediately see my home computer. I want to double tap and go into the folder that I designated as share, right? But here, it's not going to log in. Okay, before 8.1, Windows 7 and Windows XP, you should have no problem doing this. Once you designate by right click or long press on the folder, go to the property of that folder. On the Share tab, you can designate this as a share folder, and that you don't want password protected, and everybody on this Wi-Fi network can access this folder. That's no longer the case since Windows 8. And or if you have one computer that's on Windows 8 or Windows 10, the other computers on Windows 7 or less, then it's still possible. But if you have two computers or more on Windows 8 or 10, then this is no longer possible. This is what you see. Even if you somehow able to access the network, it will ask you for a password. So this is the reason that you want to delete the Windows Microsoft account, because once you change that, delete that, change it to a local account, which is not accessed online through Microsoft account, then it's still possible to do this non-password folder sharing through your Wi-Fi network. So this is what you do. You want to delete it. Go to a search function in Windows. You want to type in account. Scroll down to find probably your account settings. Here you go. You find account settings. This is your account. This is your Microsoft account, which you want to click disconnect. You want to enter the password. Password entered. And it asks you to switch to a local account. Then you just select name and password. In this case, I leave password empty so that I don't have to enter any password when I log in. Let's press next. I'll ask you to confirm switching to a local account. Right. Just click sign here, sign out, and finish. Now you can see here you're signing out, and you're on your account management or my account settings page. It shows you have a local account with your username and no more Microsoft account. Now once this is done, you should be able to access your See, this is now a local account and no password. See? So if you go to desktop, if you want to go to the File Explorer and access your network, so you have this family PC I designated as the share server, so I just double click on that. Now to enable this non-password sharing local folder Wi-Fi sharing, you have to go to the network settings, which is in the control panel. You just basically search for network. You want to click network connection settings probably, and let's go back to network. Control panel. In control panel, you want to select, go to the network and internet, click that. Now you want to go to network and sharing center. Now first you make sure your network is a private network. On a public network, sometimes you have trouble logging into it because you're at home, so it's very secure. It's a private network. You want to select, and then click change advanced sharing settings. So you want to make sure first of all network discovery should be enabled, so that you can see the other network, the other computer. And all network settings should have turn on sharing and turn off password protected sharing. So if you have all this set up, then you should be able to access the other network. Now after all those steps, make sure network discovery is on and password required is turned off in the advanced network settings. Then you can see, I go to my family computer, all the folders are being shared. Even the Canon printer, the DVD drive there, this is very useful because on a tablet there's no DVD drive. And we have shared media, shared documents, users, all these are shared. And it has no password. For example, you can go to shared media, double click, see, no password required. You immediately went into my stored movies, music, and TV series, all on a big drive. You don't have to store them locally on your tablet, and it's shared amongst all the devices on your Wi-Fi network.